Hey everyone, my name is Evelina Cosplay from Dutch Cosplay Couple, and today I will explain how you can transform into Peter Parker from Vulture's battle scene. This is me as Tom Holland / Peter Parker normal. And I will also show you how to transform into Peter Parker with the battle scars. Right, that's my potato face. Let's start off with some foundation. Make sure you apply it evenly and also in your neck, because we want to look muscular, so you have to transform your neck into a manly neck as well. I added the highlights. I'm doing this with my finger now. It's a very creamy formula. The highlights are for the parts that have to appear higher than they normally are. Also make sure you powder everything so you're not a shiny banana. I start off with the contouring of my face. Tom's cheekbones are a little bit higher than mine, so that's why I place the shadow on top of my own cheekbones. His jawline is more angular and more square shaped than mine, so that's why I apply the shadows to the sides and underneath my own jawline. Also contour your neck to make it more manly. His forehead is a bit smaller than mine, so that's why I add this heavy shadow on top of my forehead. And to make my cheeks a bit softer, I also put some shadow right there. And here is where I figured out that I had forgotten to conceal and cover up my eyebrows. Yeah, that was stupid, because you have to do that before you apply all the makeup. I had to figure out what to do, whether to do it or not, but Tom's eyebrows are quite low, so I just had to do it. I decided to only glue down the outer parts of my eyebrows, and they are a bit easier to conceal than the rest of my eyebrows, so that's why I chose for the outermost part. I would recommend to buy a more expensive glue, because very cheap glue is not sticky enough, and yeah, very handsome. It's not sticky enough, and that's just not gonna work. So make sure you buy very, very sticky and probably not so cheap glue. So as I said before, Tom's eyebrows are very low set, and he has this little swoop on his left eyebrow, as you can see here. So don't forget to draw that. For the nose, I have read that he has broken his nose like several times, so I think that's why it looks a little bit angular and a bit thicker in the middle. That's why I applied the shadow in a sort of square shape. Okay, what's happening here? Oh yeah, the camera fell. I thought you might find that funny to see. I was trying to charge my phone and then I pulled it over. We're good? We're good. And we're out of frame. Well done, Evelina. Oh my god. I promise my setup will be better next time. But I had so much footage, I just really wanted to show it to you. And oh yeah, don't forget to sing in between. It makes your makeup much funnier. Here I'm trying to accentuate the eyelids, because it will change the shape of your eye, and oh man, I hate makeup there. It always gets in my eye and then I get teary eyes and it's awful, but hey, it works. His eyes are also a little more puffy than mine, so that's why I applied the shadows underneath. And here I'm just adding more shadows everywhere. Shadows are to change the shape of your yeah, okay, charming. More highlights, more shadows. If you want something to be sunken in or a different shape, add a shadow. And if you want something to be more prominent, add a highlight. And everyone always talks about his, the shape of his cheeks. They say it looks like he is hiding a frog in his mouth, and I find it so funny, but also a little bit sad. I mean, I think he's handsome and cute, but yeah, you do have to accentuate those parts of your mouth and the way the muscles go. So that's why I use this extreme shadows and highlights, but it works. His mouth is a little bit smaller than mine, and he has on his upper lip, this middle part is a little bit more, yeah, sure. Oh yeah, here you can see it. A little bit more, yeah, it's sticking out. So that's why I added a shadow on my lower lip, so it looks like the middle part of my upper lip is sticking downwards. Yeah, put some highlight on the nose. And some highlight on your chin. And some highlight everywhere. Gorgeous. Camera, what are you doing? What are you doing? Focus. There you are. More puffy cheeks. More highlight. More angles. More shadows. What happened here? Oh, hey, I did my hair. Oh. Do you see how much your hair can change your face? I mean, I just look like me with weird ass makeup, but now I think I do look like Tom Holland, and that's nice, because that was what I was trying to accomplish. Yeah, go, continue, good. Yeah, I don't have a wig yet, so I had to fake the hairline. Now with my own hair color, it looks a little bit weird, but in the photos, it will be a little bit better. But I will be making a wig for him because I will be cosplaying Peter Parker. And I guess I'm singing. Okay. So here we have the Tom Holland Peter Parker look. Just normal him. And a little bit more dancing. Okay. Yo, end of this part. Now going to... I threw something on the... I almost threw something on the ground. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we've seen enough. Continue. Yeah, I'm trying to to fake the smile, but it didn't really work, but yeah. Alright. Now, we have to add some bruises, add some fake blood. He has this scratch thing, part thing on the cheek, and something on the lip, and bloody nose. Yeah. First put some bruises there, and then the blood. And this is me being very happy with how it turned out, because it was my first time working with stage blood, so... And it looks so cool. You guys, I am so in love with this look. This is the finished piece. I hope you guys liked it. If you have any questions, just contact me and I try to help you out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.